As you will remember, there were tons of weeds that needed to be removed, old boards that were rotten, and just a general big cleanup. Lots of cat hair, lots of insects, spiders, bugs, you name it. Bed for them. They don't really use it inside, so we're hoping they might use it a bit more outside as just another sleeping area. And then we've put in a scratch tree and a couple of plants. I made sure I did a bit of research on what plants I put in here. So we've mainly got catnip. It doesn't really affect them very much. They don't actually do very much with catnip, but it looks nice. So catnip, lemon balm, cat mint, and then I've got cat grass, which they do tend to enjoy quite a bit. 2 rose plants, apparently they actually quite like roses, and a lavender bush. So all very much cat friendly, cat safe. And then I've also got a palm tree, like a sort of small, I think it's called a triangular palm. I do stand corrected though, I can't remember. But yeah, so it's really looking quite sweet at the moment. So it's just a nice, cool, refreshing space for them. I think it's really safe to say that the boys are enjoying their new play space. Hi. Let us know what you think of the Catio, and if you've got any cool suggestions of what we could still add to it, please let us know. Bearing in mind there is no plug point outside, so food and water will have to remain inside for now.